Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2013 Hyundai Santa Fe, stock number 5985. It's ran from 06-2012 to 05-2015. It has a D4 HP 2.2 litre diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a D4 HP 2.2 litre diesel engine. The front headlight. Left front 18-inch factory aluminium good tyre. Left front mirror. Left front door no dents. Left rear door 1 dent. Left rear 18-inch factory aluminium good tyre. Left rear tail light. Right rear tail light. Rear tailgate no dents. Right rear 18-inch factory aluminium good tyre. Right rear door no dents. Right front guard 1 dent. Right front headlight. Right front 18-inch factory aluminium good tyre. Right front mirror. Right front door 2 dents. Right front door guard. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel. Instrument cluster.